so this is my hair tutorial, and we're gonna start with a few products that I use. First item is argan oil shampoo. Our second item is eco styling gel. At this point I realized I was showing you guys the directions instead of the actual eco sign, so ooh, there we go. Our third item is got to be glued free spray. Great product. Our next item is Garnier Fructis spray, anti-humidity hairspray. Is great. Next product is our argan oil replenishing sheen spray. Then we have a great hairbrush. Ooh. Then we have another shampoo, T-Escape. So as you can see right here, my hair's a little messy, so let's get this started. So once I get out the shower, this is what it looks like. I just keep combing my hair so I can get all the tangles and everything else out, so when I'm ready to put my hair in a ponytail, it can be good. And then I also part it some. I take my brush and I take my eco styling gel as shown and seen, and I take some of that and I apply it to my hair. And I take a big chunk of it, and don't know what that is. And then I take my brush and I brush it as I apply the eco styling gel onto my hair. So I continue to put the eco gel on while I brush it into a low bun, and as I continue to do that, I also like to part my hair in the middle. Like, there's different ways that you can part it, but I like to do the middle part. And that's how we get a little sleeked bun. So I personally love to do like the little side hairs on the side and curl them, but that's just a personal preference. Then I take my free spray and then I spray it on multiple parts around my head. So I run my fingers through my hair while I'm also applying the heat of the blow dryer to my hair also. So here is how it should look. Well, I'm using an Afro Drawstring ponytail, and the name brand is Features Equal. And there you go, you have a quick, easy Afro ponytail, cute ponytail just to go out and have fun. Bye guys!